we got 3 college football conference breaks. All right, so there's a lot of teams in each of these. Let's do it. The ACC got Clemson, Syracuse, NC State, Boston College, Florida State, Wake Forest, and Louisville. You also have Pittsburgh, Georgia Tech, Virginia, Miami, Virginia Tech, Duke, and North Carolina. The Big Ten, which has more than 10 teams: Ohio State, Michigan, Penn State, Michigan State, Maryland, Indiana, Rutgers, Northwestern, Wisconsin, Purdue, Iowa, Nebraska, Minnesota, and Illinois. The Big 12, which has less than 12 teams. Interesting. Oklahoma, Texas, Iowa State, West Virginia, TCU, Baylor, Kansas State, Texas Tech, Oklahoma State, and Kansas. The field is everybody that's not in the Power 5. Pac-12 is Washington, Washington State, Stanford, Oregon, California, Oregon State, Utah, Arizona State, USC, Arizona, UCLA, and Colorado. And then the SEC, Georgia, Kentucky, Florida, South Carolina, Missouri, Vanderbilt, Tennessee, Alabama, Texas A&M, LSU, Mississippi State, Auburn, Ole Miss, and Arkansas. So there it is. We're going to start with the mini helmet. So away we go, hopefully, and there it is. So we're going to do this. I have a soccer personal break, and then it's all-time master collection for the rest of the afternoon. And then we will see what happens. We have a lot of breaks that are close to selling out, so it'll all depend on where everything falls. So we will not have time for personal breaks, just throwing it out there right now. And then we'll have to see how the later goes. If all the group breaks sell out, we really don't have any personal break time. Just throwing it out there. 6 times. It'll be up to Alex later on what he does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, we're still at 4, 5, and 6 times. Everyone that bought in. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. All right, Jason G got the Big 10. Mark F got the Big 12. Steve S with the SEC. Robert I with the Pac-12. Phil S with the field. And Jason G, you also have the ACC. 80 of 200. It's a Josh Gordon. Yeah, BU, right? Baylor. That is the Big 12. And who has the Big 12? That's Mark F. There you go, man. Big 12 taking that one home. Down there. Mark it on the sheet. Mark F, Big 12. And next up is the jersey. So basically, Matthew G, he'll have everything except the one spot that Martin S gets. Let's see what that is. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Ten times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. All right, so Martin S, you have the ACC. Matthew G, you literally have everything else.
Every other college in the country.
Yes. 89 of 100. Steve Largent special.
What's on?
89?
Steve Largent wore 80 his whole career.
No, he wore 89.
Okay.
You didn't know that, Alex? In college, he wore 89.
No,
I'm making it up. Oh, would have been great if it was him, but it is
Hines Ward.
Hines Ward.
Georgia, right?
I'm pretty sure he's Georgia. We can look it up real quick. Yeah, no, it's like a Georgia.
Georgia SEC.
Is that who it is, though? Is he...
That is, he went to Georgia. Yeah,
All right, there you go, Matthew G. And a shocking win. What are you doing? Yeah, I got one more.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
All right. And our last one is the full-size college helmet, box 2. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Morning, Roy, or not Roy, sorry. Morning, Ryan. And we've got 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Christopher D, you got the Pac-12. Martin S, you got the ACC. Christopher D with the Big 10. Steve S with the Big 12. Travis D, you have the Field. And Christopher D with the SEC. All right, so our last hit parade break. Then I'll need a minute, and then we'll get into that soccer personal break. And it is a Fred Biletnikoff, 1964, All-American inscribed.
Florida State, ACC.
ACC?
Yeah.
Oh, there. And the ACC takes this home. Martin S. You got yourself the helmet. All right, there we are. 3 up, 3 down on the college hit parade front. We'll have more of these up as we always do. And like I said, we'll be back in a few.